Hold up, this ain't no bullshit. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me, I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me. Hold up, this that new improved motion. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick.
Say when they get her a truck, baby girl, I gotta add it up. Tiffany's trying to hit Tiffany's, so pull your money out and pay for her. Shalana one out of that Honda. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Turn me up, DJ. Turn me up, man. Back it up. You try to get you a check, baby girl, I gotta back it up. This ain't no time to play. Little bitty bitch, back it up. Okay, I'm back on the scene. How she that fat in them cheeks? Oh man, I used to pop me a beat, you know. That when I leave. Call her a spellman, her booty retarded, no helmet. I watch the flowers get smelly. I heard her click, man, stay lit. Yo, last time I seen her in a new thing. Everybody in the hood say she work blue flame. Now she say twerking it, and I can't believe that she working it. And she like to pop all the purse shit. The money turned out to a Birkin bitch.
Information, what's it really gonna do with all that controversial information? They tryna confuse you, unnecessary controversial information. What you really gonna do with all that controversial information? They tryna confuse you, unnecessary. Hot damn it now, I don't care about a little bit of backlash. Let me tell you why. You put that booty down, chain go loud, come back and bite you right in the grass. I can tell you now, I ain't worried about people that hate. I kinda like it, I must say. So don't be good, speak good, Aaron. Why you out talking about PHYNE? Politicians, religion, 9/11, COVID, racism, addiction, not to mention years they whisper. We all under alien supervision, ain't all superstition. Believe me, even right now they listen. Your mind come in a prison. They might be watching you live your life through another man's vision. Come on now, controversy every day, every night. We gon' tell a little controversy in the movie, in the TV. We gon' hear a little controversy in the audio, in the stereo. Come on, y'all, hear a little controversy. If we get along, a little too strong, they gon' make a little controversial information. What you really gonna do with all that controversy?
Bullshit. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me, I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me. Hold up, this that new improved motion. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me, I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me.
If you know about Outkast, make some noise. So before we get to the rooter, before we get the rooter to the tutor, however you say that, We like to give them a shout out because all blessings go to this group, man. Man, for real, so much inspiration. So what I need everybody to do is hold your steering wheels up like this right here. We finna ride around 285 real slow. All right? If you're by yourself, blaze one up. You got the kids in the car, don't do it. All right? If you go into that party, make sure you get there before you open that bottle. But we're gonna put this CD in and play a song by the name of Spodioty. Dope-alicious.
Oh, that's the one, baby.
Give me something, Cricket.
That's for
Hold up, this that new improved bullshit. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me, I got them racks on me. I got them.
Which way? What's up, dude? My mind focused on one thing right now. Just try to get this thing right. You got it, coach.
I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me. Hold up, this that new improved motion. I just keep it moving, baby, that's why you sick. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me. I got them racks on me, I got them stacks on me. I get a fetty, yeah. I get a guac, yeah. I got all my holes in my sock, I got my hole in my stock, yeah. I done found my rock, no, we don't follow no ops, yeah. You gotta grind till you pop, no, I don't punch no clock. I don't need no beef, no one no stick, yeah. Baby, you can find me by the lip.